Many locals in Imphal East District and Imphal West District are facing immense hardship due to water logging in and around their houses. Around 100 residents at Nongmaibung Pungmakong, Seram Lerak and Imphal East are still stuck inside their houses as they are surrounded by deep level water, although a relief camp is being opened at Nongmaibung Thamchet School. Meanwhile, localities along the stretches from Wangkayangom Laikai to Kongba Bridge are also reeling under flood. Members of Rambai Tengul have been shifting locals, including office goers of Wangkai Kaitila Shangbi, Yonglan Lerag and Lorimbam Lerag, to safer locations using boats and bamboo rafts after the water level in the area increased today.
Any Manipur the totem but the one from Poxunu, Rambai Tengul area, Rambai Chindown Sinda, Pagapon Lekani. Like essentially up the Sopero, my up the Sopero and Ramatingola. I got put in Legony Mount Hatter, lady, may I have Sura by Tingola. Ngam Kalongani, I put Hawaii Tars or Ramatingola. Hawaii Tarbasu, it is charging Kalongani.